So for me, I'm working on different projects across the Northern Scotland regions. Primarily, I'm helping to support Bellevue Academy in Manchester, which is a secondary school for Manchester City Council. I'm also helping support some of our Scotland projects, primarily Edinburgh Haymarket, which is a wider development of 2 hotels and some office and retail spaces. And my typical day, usually revolves around supporting pretty much everyone in the project team. I help obtain and extract information from our design models and federate and bring together all of our models that we receive from the designers. I also perform some clash detection on the models and raise issues based on the clashes that we get from the clash detection. I also develop site-wide logistics 3D model, and that includes cabins and fencing, barriers, hoarding, and in general, this helps our wider project team to better understand and visualize, perhaps some of the project constraints that we may have on site. And lastly, I also work together with the planners to develop what we call a 4D model, which is basically a simulation of the build sequence. So I'm doing the data analytics apprenticeship, and what interested me the most initially was in utilizing and further understanding like digital tools and processes that other industries have been utilizing, and hopefully with the knowledge and skills that I gained from the apprenticeship, I can better improve the way I work and hopefully better help other functions within the business and within my region. I also know that SRM has a company-wide information and data group and initiative that their aim is to help steer the company and its functions to be more data-driven, and I very much wanted to be part of that change. I would say it's what I'm currently working on right now, and that would be I'm helping pilot Dalix Field, which is a construction management platform in one of our projects. That would be Bellevue Academy in Manchester. And that's very exciting because it's a platform that is very much new to everyone in the project team. And I would say, that we have the best project team to do this trial on, because everyone is very on board in terms of trying everything out that comes with the platform and see what would work best for the project. I'd say to just take the jump. It's very rewarding to work in real projects alongside coursework, and when you're doing coursework, you're doing some learning and some theoretical and background learning, but applying it into real life projects, it's very rewarding, and being able to work with like large project teams on large scale projects it's unlike anything else. Yes, absolutely. Everyone has been, very supportive in terms of what I've done so far in the apprenticeship. I'm not too far along. I've been in the apprenticeship for 4 months so far, but yes, I've been, getting support from everywhere, from project teams, from the digital construction function, as well as the data and information management group within the company. So there's no shortage of help whatsoever within SRM. I'd like to, encourage, young women to enter construction. It's very exciting. When I was younger, I was very much intimidated. I, kind of tried to avoid, working for large contractors. But, there's nothing to be intimidated about whatsoever. And I think the learning part is definitely being on site and actually looking at projects and looking at how our projects are built, that's definitely rewarding. Yes.